Hello guys and welcome back to another crypto update. Today Bitcoin and MBOX. So Bitcoin, as you can see, we are still in this bear flag. Yesterday we made a push to the upside and got some pretty people excited, but nothing to be excited for. As you can see, this bear flag has done already the consolidation period from the previous two bear flags. We are also on the RSI in a broadening wedge, in ascending broadening wedge, which is, as you can see, previously those two small bear flags already done the same thing. Both of them broke to the downside because an ascending broadening wedge is technically a bearish pattern, so we are still expecting the same thing. What we can expect right now, I'm gonna paint it, is a break and maybe a capitulation like this pattern, or a break to the downside, retest and continue to the downside like this pattern here. Okay, so that would happen and would affect the price by breaking the bear flag, either retest and going down or going straight down. But guys, let us be real, this is a bear flag. We have been in a massive downtrend, everything is looking bearish, so we cannot be excited for one candle. That how much it did okay, 7% to the upside, but it did not break anything. In fact, if we pull out this circle and we pull out also the EMA ribbon, we can see, let me zoom in, let me zoom in to the price. We can see that in this area there are three convergence resistance trend lines and the EMA ribbon. As you can see, we have the bear flagged white trend line, the EMA ribbon, and also this orange line which has been resisting the price. Let me remove the ribbon because it's the descending broadening wedge upper resistance trend line. So guys, we cannot expect to break these kind of resistances all at once with no volume. You can see that the volume, although it spiked a little bit, we are still getting lower and lower volume from the capitulation and the pole of this bear flag. So guys, we are expecting still the target of around 13k to the downside here. MBOX, on the other hand, today has been pumping. It already pumped around 13% after the break of this pennant, retested here and went straight up. So let's elaborate a little bit on MBOX. On the other side, we can clearly see that we have this orange trend line that has been supporting and resisting the price. We have multiple touch points as support, broke to the downside and resisted the price for about 3 times. After it broke, retested as support and pushed to the upside today. So it seems a legit break, it seems a legit move to the upside. So we'll have to wait and see a little bit what will happen next. The technical target of this pennant is about, let me move it like that, it's about 78%, and we can clearly see at this area we also have the EMA ribbon, the 50 EMA to be exact, at the 75 cents mark. So we kind of need to break that area to be bullish and say it is a legit reversal. Also, we can notice that it is kind of a W pattern here with a double right side, okay, and we broke it also to the upside. As we can clearly see, this neckline is right here. No, we didn't break it actually. We are still hanging around the neckline of this pattern. So this could be two things. As for the bearish side, to eliminate every bearish aspect, I would like to break this neckline, this trend line, to eliminate a possible bear flag, or also remove and eliminate this trend line again to eliminate a possible ascending triangle, which, although it is a bullish and reversal pattern, it could also break to the downside. It happened on Bitcoin, it happened everywhere. So we still need to break and hold as a daily close the 70 cents mark. So that's it from OT today. See you on another update.